Hey everyone, 065 here, and I want to show you guys something really neat. This is one of WowWee's obscure and older robots. If you all know who Mega-Byte is, then a lot of you might be familiar with Mega-Byte 2.0. This is a robot, from what I know, hasn't been seen on YouTube other than one person who owns one, but doesn't show it in action. But there have been many photos of this item found, especially on the old robot's website. Now, a video of this thing functioning has never been surfaced. This particular one came all the way from France on eBay. I found this from my girlfriend. She's been dying to own this, and I found this one for her. She bought it, and here it is. Of course, it did have some cosmetic damages. It was missing one of the casters, so what we did was remove the original caster and actually put these ball casters, and they actually work very nicely. But when we took this with us to the mall to just mess with it along with Dog E, another bigger RC robot dog, the gearbox in this wheel, I think, yeah, the gearbox in this wheel cracked because the plastic shell on one side of the shell is brittle, so it just cracked in half. And it would just make a real loud grinding noise. So right now the other gears inside, so I'm gonna be taking this fella apart. Gonna be redoing a lot of things because there's a lot of wires in there that appear to be crushed. But let me see if he has batteries in him. Alright, so when turned on, the eyes light up green. Another interesting thing is if you push this down, his eyes disappear, and if on the remote you push the chomping button, like where he's eating, not that one but this one, does pop up, and then he does this I guess shorting out thing, and the tubes do light up, which is pretty neat. And here's another interesting thing with his tail. He does have a searchlight, which is actually pretty freaking cool. So it's really cool. He does have a follow me mode, which is really interesting. It works decent, but we haven't had a chance to actually fully test that. So once this is done, another video will be made on my channel showing this thing in action again. Hopefully I can fix it because the piece that broke off, where the heck it went, is this piece here. And as you can see here, it has teeth on a shaft, so I'm going to have to get that shaft out without breaking this piece so I can glue it all together, and hopefully that'll work. But yeah, so if another video will be made onto my girlfriend's channel, Nintendo110, she's also on YouTube, and I'm pretty sure she's going to be making a review on this fella, so stay tuned for that. And I'll be posting another video of this fella. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.